If you will be given a superpower, only one superpower, what would you like to have? Would you like to be like Superman, The Flash, or Back to the Future? Those are some examples that I would like you to think. If you will be given that superpower, only one superpower, what would you choose? I think most of you would like to be Superman or Superwoman, but have you thought about the power of going back in time? You know, you can go back no matter what time you want. You can go back in the time of Christ. How cool is that? You can go back to, whatever, wherever, whenever. That will be a cool superpower to have, isn't it? I've been thinking about it last night. That question, what superpower I will have. I think I would get, I wouldn't mind having that, going back in time. Correct mistakes, correct the timeline, things that you have done that differently, that you could have done differently, things that you regret, the what if. Imagine that, the freedom that you will have doing that. I think it will set us up for a great future. Diba? That's what we want. We want freedom. You want to be able to live a life that we're not bound or we're not limited. So if you have that superpower, you can go back in time and you can set things up. That would be cool, isn't it? So nothing. Just some different. This is a different vlog. Usually I share about Bible verse and the Word of God. But last night it just made me think. What if I will have a superpower? So I said I'm gonna ask you, what would you choose? So write in the comment. Write in the comment and why. It's gonna be fun, to have power, limited power or unlimited power. But as Spider-Man says, great power comes with great responsibility. So when you have that power, there's a lot of things that I think you'll be given the burden. So, well, imagine the Lord, no? Imagine what the Lord is going through every time that we ask the question or ask why is it happening. It just made me think. Just made me think. Another week has gone by. We're not getting any younger, but we need to be happy. We need to be joyful, peaceful. So my prayers and my hope for you, when you're watching this video, that you will have that peace that passes understanding, that joy, and most of all, seek that freedom. Freedom to be able to be free from bondage, free from the past, free from the things that hinders your growth. Just something to think about, right? So again, appreciate your time, and until we see each other again, don't forget to comment what superpower you have. The best is yet to come, my friend. God is for you. God is with you. Never say die. Peace.